Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. A short video tutorial for you today to show you how to put a live streaming video on your website from another site. Just before I get into that, there's a link in the description for this video just down below that will take you through to your own free trial version of Weebly. So obviously we're going to be doing this in Weebly. And if you want to give this all a go for completely free, just click that link down below and that will allow you to do so. Okay, so now this, adding a stream to your Weebly site will vary depending on where that stream is coming from. But wherever it will come from, when you click on share, or, it may be called embed, or, share with others, or whatever it be on that video, I'm going to use YouTube as an example today. What you'll need to do is find basically the embed code. So as you can see when I click the share button here, it's the first option here, the embed code. It's going to look something like that. Okay, so YouTube has the option to kind of, select it all and copy it. Depending on where this stream is happening with you, that's going to differ. So obviously I can't cover all those bases, but when you click share, you'll most likely be presented with some kind of code. Okay, so hit copy or select it all and copy it. And then on your Weebly site, that's all you got to do then is open the site in the editing mode, go to build, and then hit this little option here on the basic menu, embed code. Okay, so that'll allow you to drag a little box into the site. I'll just put it here just to kind of give you a quick demonstration. And then you can see that when you give that a single click, you can hit edit custom HTML, and then all we need to do is hit Control and V or Command and V if you're on a Mac, or right click and select paste. And then you've got, obviously once you click away, that embedded video. So you're going to want to set up a page for this maybe on your site, like a live streaming page or whatever, and sort of format it nicely for the video. But that is the basic premise of it there, as quick as I can show you and as efficiently as I can show you. And as you can see, that video is now playing behind some of these images. As you can see it, you can hear it as well, okay? And that's it. That's how you would embed a video onto your website or onto its own page. And even if that is a streaming source, that will work exactly the same then, okay? And that concludes the video tutorial. So, like I said at the beginning, if you want to give Weebly a go, if you haven't used it before, then the link to do so is in the description for this video down below. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any comments or anything like that, leave them down below as well. Thank you very much.